Hello and welcome to my channel, Area Kraków and Poland Experience. Today we are in Balice airport and we are in a special spot. We are in a pandemic time currently, so probably we will not see any plane flying, but this is a special place to watch the takeoffs and landing of aircrafts. During normal times, people can come here and watch takes off and landing of aircrafts. Please feel free to subscribe, hit the bell button if you would like to be notified whenever I'm uploading newer videos. Let's hope that there would be better times where we could come and retake this video and see actually airplanes coming up and down. Wishing you all a wonderful and pleasant Saturday. Today is the 21st of November 2020. Goodbye.